how to change font size on Zoom Whiteboard, and 2 other presentation tips on Zoom. So first you go to share screen, Whiteboard, and then you can type something like hello world. If you want to change the font size, you go here to format where you can change the color. If you are drawing, you can change the size of the line. With the font, you can add bold or italic, and you can change the font size here. If you are drawing, you can change the size of the line over here. And tip number 2, if you're working on a whiteboard, like I'm a teacher, for example, and I'm writing on the board, students can't read the text because the screen is mirrored. So what you want to do is you want to go here to video settings, mirror my video, and now students can read what you write on the board. Tip number 3, if you're doing a presentation, you can share screen and share the PPT like this, and that is fine, they can read it. But if you want to seem more professional, you can go to share screen, advanced, PowerPoint as virtual background, then you pick the PPT, and now you are there, and you can also change your size, you can move yourself around, and this is way more professional than just using a normal share PPT. I hope these tips helped. I'm Eric from Etecute, and I'll see you next time.